Hi guys, Jason here from Cheap Geek. Just a quick video today to have a chat to you about backup, which is crucially important for people at home and also businesses. It's as important as breathing to us. You know, it's something that really needs to be taken seriously. A lot of people don't take it that seriously until something happens. You lose your baby photos, you lose all your business documents, and it's starting from scratch. It can bring a business to its knees and have a lot of emotional impact for people if they lose these things. Now, most people have a backup and it goes to one of these things. This is an external hard drive, whether it's a Mac, Time Machine, or PC, Windows. Most people are backing up to one of these, which has its function. If you have a hard drive failure, you'll be able to get your data back off this, but there's a couple of very big glaring issues if this is all you're doing. The main one is what they call crypto viruses. If you happen to open up an email, this happens weekly for us. We see it every single week. Open up an email, it encrypts all the data on your computer, your photos, your documents. It also will encrypt this backup on this hard drive if it's connected to your computer. This pretty much happens every time somebody has an external hard drive as their only backup. It's encrypted, the backup is now useless, and you lose all your data. What you should be looking for is an online type of backup. Something like Dropbox is one that I use myself. A lot of businesses use it. Dropbox is fantastic. It just works and works and works. It's very reliable. You know, at the end of the day, if something goes wrong locally on your computer, then you'll be able to get your data back from Dropbox simply, easily, no problems at all. There's a few other options that we go with depending on each individual setup, but we have Carbonite and iDrive are two of the ones that we put in and recommend. Essentially, the idea behind this is your data is very secure, it's encrypted, people don't get into it. Main thing is have a nice strong password, which we can help you with. But at the end of the day, if something happens locally on your machine, now that includes, heaven forbid, somebody breaks in and steals your laptop, they often will take the hard drives that are sitting or connected to it as well. Or if you get an encryption virus, it will encrypt the hard drive. Or even if something catastrophic like heaven forbid your house burns down, if you don't have a backup that's offsite, you don't have a backup. So you really need to be thinking about these things. Think about how important your photos are. Think about if you lost everything that's on your computer right now, how would you be tomorrow? Would it be that much of an impact? These backup solutions are very inexpensive. You're talking $50, $60, $70 a year type of thing. If that's worth it for your data, you really should be thinking about these things. All right guys, I hope that helps you out. Enjoy the rest of your day.